Hi, my name is Roy. I'd love to talk to you today about one of the most powerful features recently released alongside the new Command R and Command R Plus models from Cohere. That feature is multi-step tool use, or agents. Multi-step tool use is an evolution of single-step tool use. Single-step tool use is most appropriate when the model needs to take a single action or set of actions that can happen in parallel and are independent of each other. While multi-step tool use is most appropriate when the model needs to take a sequence of actions where one result of an action informs the next action. Both multi-step tool use and single-step tool use are relatively easy to use. You do so by defining to the model which tools it has available. That happens by defining semantically what the tool does, and then defining a schema on how to use the tool. Once a user enters a request, the model will come up with a plan, basically choosing which tools to use and how to use them based on the user request. So let's see that in action. We built a simple applet for our Salesforce instance. Let's pretend I've been introduced to Ted Mosby, and I'd like to create a contact. Please create a contact for Ted Mosby with the email ted@mosbyisdesigns.com. Also, create an opportunity for Ted to purchase $250,000 of building materials. Lastly, create a note detailing that Ted was introduced to me by Ron, and that we had a great conversation about potential collaboration between Mosby's Designs and the Very Good Building Company, and that I should reach back out on Friday. The model's creating a plan. I will first create the contact, then the opportunity, and finally the note. It then is telling us that it's created the contact, and it told us that that action was successful. Same for the opportunity. And lastly, for the note. Let's see here. This is my contacts before I made that request. I'm going to refresh this page. As you can see, a contact for Ted Mosby has been created. When I click into that contact, I can see the opportunity for $250,000 to purchase building materials. I can even see a note with a clever note title, Ted Mosby, Friday, 4/13, which is this upcoming Friday. And that's it. So as you can understand, this was a multi-step tool use implementation. Reason being that the model first needed to create a contact, then use the results of that action to inform the subsequent actions, aka creating an opportunity and creating the note. You can learn more about single and multi-step tool use alongside using them with Command R and Command R Plus on Cohere's developer documentation, docs.cohere.com, or visit LangChain to understand more about the multi-step tool use integration with LangChain. Thank you.